Good morning. My name is Evelisa. I've been coming to Dr. Ryan for the last 3 years. I have been in chiropractic care for more than 10 years. I have scoliosis, and coming to the chiropractor makes me feel better mentally, physically, emotionally, all of the above. And he is a great chiropractor, which is why I keep coming. Yeah.
Let's do it. How you feel today?
I feel okay.
Not too bad?
My right hip has been feeling a little off this morning, but other than that, I feel all right.
What about this right shoulder?
Pretty tight. Yeah.
Big knot in here.
It's not normal to be in pain.
No, it's not. All right, let's do it. Nice and easy. We're getting into it. Drop this here. Any headaches going on?
No, not really.
Just sink here. Just drop this chin.
Whew.
Nice and easy. Breathe. Whew.
That was tight.
That was tight.
Felt better.
Drop this here. Right here. Sink, sink, sink. A little bit. Drop the chin.
Oh my God. Whew.
Breathe, breathe. Whew.
I wasn't expecting that.
That was a lot. That was a lot.
Jeez.
Shoulders drop.
That's good.
Yeah. Massive curve forward here. Look all the way up to the ceiling. Yeah. Sink, sink, sink. All the way, all the way. One more. All the way. Good. Nice. That was a lot.
Yeah, that was.
What's it? Oh, you're already popping.
Yeah.
Deep breath in here. All the way out. And just sink forward here. Drop these shoulders a little bit more. Good.
Oh.
Same thing right here. Just relax the shoulder. We're just going to rotate you. Drop this head here. Good.
Oh.
Same thing. Come on over. Good. Sink here. Here. Good. Keep breathing. Keep breathing.
Some of the things you do feel illegal. Oh, it's like you don't even know that means the crap. That's so crazy.
Yeah, got x-ray hands. Bend here. Bring this out. Grab here. Don't tighten up on me today.
I gotcha.
But just relax. Already popping. Good. Drop this shoulder. Let it fall. One more time. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Sink, sink, sink.
Oh!
Nice. Hell yeah. Other side.
Oh, shit.
Same thing. Grab. Bend. Nice and easy. Right here. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Fall off the table. Right here. Drop the shoulder back.
Oh!
Nice. Drop these shoulders. Good. Right in here. Sink, 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 sink. Good. Sink here, sink here, sink here. Nice. Big stretch.
Yep.
All decompression here. Just breathe. Let that low back just move. Right here. All decompression. Feel that stretch down here?
Yeah, definitely.
Big drop right in the sacrum, right on top. Deep breath, all the way out. Big. Good. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Your right side?
My left side.
This is kind of where
You have a curve.
This is where that curve is. So we're gonna push that curve back the other way. Couple more big stretches here. All the way down. Really breathe, really sink into this. Good. Yep, drop that here. Nice and easy. All the way back. Just sink, 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 sink. Deep breath in. All the way out. Feel this pull right near your hips. Deep breath. Good.
Oh.
Good. Deep breath in. All the way out. Sink right into this table. Sink, 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 sink.
Oh.
Good. Take your time. Catch it.
Yep.
Just breathe.
Okay.
Breathe, breathe, breathe. Woo.
That's good.
Take your time. Take your time. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Get your ankles here. Just relax. Drop this hip. Good one. Sink. Drop, drop, drop. Good. Couple more. Deep breaths. Deep breaths.
All right. Can go about my day now.
She's ready.
The weekend, look out. You're the goat.
Here's a go. Have your hands. Good. Right there. Good. How you feel? Feel better?
Feel much better.
Nice.
Yep. Feel alleviated. Feel like rejuvenated.
Good shit.
I'm a new person.
She's a new person.